Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City. Something special today for the holidays. Gonna check out the Winter Wonderland Parade here in Atlantic City with a special guest star, the Grand Marshal, Kelsey. Let's head on over to, I guess we're gonna head over to Atlantic Avenue and Martin Luther King Boulevard. That seems to be a good spot for it. Come and join me, won't you? It's a really warm day here in Atlantic City. It's about 55, 60 degrees. It's the first week of December. I don't even have a coat on. Looking forward to this parade. It's a little overcast. They're predicting rain tonight, which isn't good because tonight I have plans also. That is to check out the bed and breakfasts down in Cape May. Cape May does an annual bed and breakfast tour. It's a trolley that goes around town and it drops you off at different B&Bs around town. You can go inside, see how they're decorated. Of course, I want to bring you guys along. However, it's supposed to rain tonight, and I hope it holds off until that's over with, because I'd really like to make that video. So that will be a separate video. In any event, we're heading right now to Atlantic Avenue and Martin Luther King Boulevard. I think that's a good vantage point for this Winter Wonderland Parade here in Atlantic City. Fancy fruit. This must have been an old produce stand. Right now we're on North Carolina Avenue. We're going to head up to Atlantic, make a left, and head south. Gino's Pizza and Grill. I haven't done a video from there yet. I guess that will be coming up soon. I just did a video here in Atlantic City on Atlantic Avenue, which is where we are right now. It was a long walk, it was a long video. Check it out if you want to. It's here on the New York Channel about a month ago. So I think we're going to do this at the intersection of Atlantic and South Carolina because they're going to be making a turn here, and there's a grandstand right up the street, so I'm sure there'll be a few speeches at the end. Here comes the mayor of Atlantic City, Marty Small Sr. in his dark gray Cadillac. Right behind Mayor Small is his security vehicle, and right behind that, in the bright red convertible Cadillac, is Kelsey, star of Cheers as well as Frasier. Kelsey has a Faith American brewing company that he's always promoting here in Atlantic City, and he visits Atlantic City quite often. He's the Grand Marshal of this parade, as a matter of fact. And here we have some Atlantic City Jitney representation. If you're not on the boardwalk and you still want to get around town, one of the best ways to do it. You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. If you're enjoying this channel, please click on that subscribe button, and if you're enjoying this video in particular, click on the thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. Happy holidays, everyone. Thank you for watching. Tons of respect for the Atlantic City Police Department, Fire Department, and EMTs. Seems lately the fire department's been putting out a lot of boardwalk fires. Thank goodness no high-rises are involved because, well, Atlantic City has some of the tallest buildings in New Jersey, and if need be, these guys are there to save you. And just a quick note, I've grown up around boardwalk fires, and they can get out of control pretty quickly, and I have to say the Atlantic City Fire Department got these under control immediately. They could have been much, much worse. We just saw the Jitney for those who like to venture beyond the boardwalk, and for those who like to just hang around the boardwalk, the good old trams are represented here. I'm not sure who these passengers are on these trams, but they might be parade participants who just couldn't make it to the end. That's what it looks like to me. And here we have the Atlantic City Public Library representing here at the parade. When I was a child, I used to love the library. I used to spend hours in there, and as an adult, I spent hours in bookstores and also public libraries as an adult because they used to do CDs. You could rent rock and roll CDs and take them home and listen to them and return them. Libraries kind of in my past now that the internet's around, but I think there's still a lot of people going to public libraries. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment below. Here we have a race car from one of the boardwalk attractions. There's no marketing on the car, so I'm not sure if it's from Central Pier or from the Showboat racetrack, but they're representing either one of those two. Here we have a trailer from the Tennessee Avenue Tobacco Company. This trailer, I believe, is usually parked in front of the yard on the boardwalk in front of Bally's. They do have live entertainment on the back of this trailer. Let's check it out.
Imagine being on a surfboard with a guitar and equipment.
Here we have Atlantic City's first fire engine, built in 1854. Can't really be called a fire truck, I guess. And here we have the United States Coast Guard protecting the waters off of Atlantic City. And let me tell you something, I've been on some charter boats around this Atlantic City area. These waters can be quite choppy, and well, thank goodness for these guys as well. Thank you for your service. Hey guys, if you'd like to support the New Yawk channel during this holiday season, just click on that thanks button underneath the video. I really do appreciate your support. Thanks guys, and happy holidays. And there he is, Santa Claus, right here in Atlantic City.
The whole time. All right. Enjoy the rest of your weekend.
Nothing like a good old hometown holiday parade. Now they had a bandstand, but there was really no speeches. I thought maybe Kelsey Grammer or the mayor or someone would do a little holiday speech, but they started taking the bandstand down as soon as the parade was over. But regardless, I had a great time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Happy holidays, everyone. Lots more to come here on the New Yawk channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.